Watch the paint.
Yeah, the paint on the underside, that's the expensive stuff.
Exactly. That's the stuff everybody sees.
You think Sean would notice if we just sold this piece off? And I'm sure it goes for like 100, 200.
Or we put like a fake clutch pedal in there and see how confused he is when he gets back. Now you're across the center console, laying upside down in the footwell of a Lamborghini.
I swear this is official Lamborghini technique.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean. This is Dreamcars Daily. I have COVID. Scotty is vlogging. That's kind of the basics. Look, you guys, I have no idea what Scotty's filmed. I didn't ask him. I just asked him to film for me, so please welcome Scotty. Let him know that he's doing a good job. Comment below. Tell him thank you for doing all the things I can't do because I'm sick and I'm not allowed to be a normal human being. Yeah, COVID. I'm fine, feeling good. Just can't go do anything. Scotty and Andrew are holding down the fort. They're getting all the cars ready for the rally, doing all the things I can't do. And yeah, you should have met Andrew already, but you haven't because I lost 10 days of footage and a camera because I'm me and I do those things. So anyway, guys, here are the vlogs. I don't know what they're gonna be, but I know Scotty is probably being more cinematic than me, so have fun with that. I'll see you guys soon.
All right, unexpected jump 2 days into the future, guys. Andrew and I we just ran out of time the other day, so we're jumping back into it today. We are going to take a look at the parking brakes on the Huracan. They were looking a bit low, the pads, so we're gonna knock that out. We did since get a little sneak preview of what the wheels are going to look like, and it's really exciting. You guys will have to stay tuned. That's going to be in the next video for sure. This video, so we've got the parking brake. We're also going to see if we can get at that module. We're not 100% sure yet whether that's something that we can get done before the rally. It really depends on how far we have to tear into the car. So we'll figure that out today, and we'll go from there. So next time you see us, we'll be back at the shop. All right, Andrew. These guys are getting done, right?
Yep.
This side, these tiny little pads. There's nothing there. My goodness. They're thin out the box. All right, let's do her. It's a good angle. Yeah. I'm getting your good side.
Thank you. I tried.
Always need some curtains for the garage doors.
There's that thing.
That's supposed to happen.
That's a whatchamajigger.
So these need to be compressed the same way that.
Yeah, we'll have to lock the pistons back just a little bit and slip in the new ones. These ones, that one over there is pretty thin, but those ones aren't.
No, that one's not too bad.
Terrible. They actually come pretty thin.
Yeah, on carbon rotors though. Yeah. You don't want to risk it.
You want to risk it for the biscuit? All right, my caliper's gonna come off.
Okay.
Oh, watch the paint.
Yeah, the paint on the underside, that's the expensive stuff.
Exactly. That's the stuff everybody sees.
Maybe grab some wire or anything? Tie it up, or I suppose I have an extra hand.
So,
you know, on any other car, that would be a full-size brake, not just a parking brake.
So with those being electric, we're gonna have to see if it has a service mode or not to be able to push those back.
All right, new pads are on. Time to button her up. If this was NASCAR, they'd already have it done.
If this was NASCAR, my paycheck would be a lot bigger.
Paycheck? You're getting paid?
You're getting paid? I knew there was something funny about this.
Safety pin. Easy peasy.
No,
Is that the hardest brake check? I mean, it's Lamborghini's fine, pristine machine.
Took some ingenuity, some crazy tools, and
a lot of grit.
Yeah.
A lot of grit.
Now you do the other side and I'll film you.
All right.
All right, so here we are on the right rear. Scott was saying I wasn't quite NASCAR official on the other side, so I think he should be able to do this in
30.
I was gonna give you 3 minutes. I was gonna be pretty nice.
All right.
Took me about
I'll slow myself down.
6.5 on the other side, so you should be able to go 50%, so.
All
All right, ready?
Yeah.
I don't have my Lamborghini license yet, so. You know.
Still in training?
Oh, well, there's one pin. I see it.
No pressure, but you've used up about a minute of your 3.5.
There you go. Here, make your other hand useful there. All right. So now we've got to do a little bit of. Oh wait, where's the mallet? There it is. Not here.
Don't go much further than that because the punch will get stuck. It gets wedged. You gotta kind of
Like
rock.
that?
Yeah. You gotta rock it and it'll come back.
Kind of like that.
Yeah. There's probably some sophisticated Lamborghini tool for this.
Got the snap-on little punch.
Yeah, and a Harbor Freight hammer. I'd go a little bit more on the top.
It's not even poking out. Ooh.
You can give it a try. It might come out. I would go after it with that pair.
What's my time? What's my time?
Oh,
you know what? That wasn't even that bad.
unfortunately, I think you're about used up on the time, but we'll see.
I'm gonna do that.
That's bent.
We're just sliding these out, right?
Yep, those come right out.
Oh, this last one's gonna kill my time. Yeah, these are way more used.
With just that outer one, the inner one still look pretty good. You might even be able to put the pin in there and yeah.
There we go. Done. Time.
Oh, I thought it was out and back together.
Oh, we have back together.
You were just pulling it out?
All right, well, we're gonna need a little.
We'll return that piston and go back together.
All right, the struggle part two. I guess we can continue the timer from there.
We didn't cut anything out. It was, we're still at about a minute and a half.
You turn the bolt in the right direction. I'm having Lotus flashback.
Yeah, from the Lotus to now, Scott's been working very hard on righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. We're days in and we're starting to get somewhere.
Sanity is definitely not there anymore. All right, so outer first.
Oh, you
Okay.
just might have to pull it over just a little bit.
Yeah, no, I was just trying to figure out whether I think I answered my own question. Okay, there you go. Now it's slotted. All right, there's one.
I would throw the inner pad in first. Make sure we got that piston pushed back all the way.
Oh, the inner one first. I thought it
But
was...
no, just throw it in before you start with the pins and whatnot. Make sure we have enough room for
I
everything.
see what you're saying.
Because that scan tool we use to push the piston back, we might have to...
Plus 5 seconds for instruction.
Oh.
Yeah, we're good.
Well, it would be minus, wouldn't it? I'd take 5 seconds off.
Well, I guess if we're doing a countdown or if we're counting up.
I'm confused. The pins come through and hold it. The two pins come through right there over.
But this panel sits on the outside here?
Yep, that pushes the pads.
I thought you have to shove that in there.
No,
Okay.
it just keeps the pads from flying
Got
around.
it. And the pointy end in.
Yep.
All right.
And make sure you put the top on the top and the bottom on the bottom.
Is that how that works?
I'm sure Lamborghini has something to say about that.
Uh-huh.
The
How does this one work?
You'll have to already have the pad in there, sorry. I thought you had it in there.
Gotcha. Wow. Man, what kind of instructor are you?
Not Lamborghini certified.
I thought you were.
Lotus certified, just haven't gotten my Lamborghini certs yet.
Is this just kind of floating there?
It's got to come out a little bit more. If you get that one started, just to hold it for a second.
Oh,
you
okay.
went through?
Well, then
Yeah.
No, then I've got to back them all out. All right, man, killing my times here.
NASCAR Junior over here. So yeah, perfect. Now pull that
These are exotic vehicles. It's Formula One.
Formula Un. Pull that inner pad out so you're not buried. And yep, now throw your clip in there and you'll be good to go.
Yep, I got it. All right, cool. Tighten her back up, right?
Yep, and you can probably just push on it with your hand and push those in if you want to.
But that's less fun. Oh yeah, no. All right. Okay.
So yeah, you got the 2 little clips and then tighten up the 2 bolts and with any luck they'll stay on. The hole at the top was getting me because I was running into the caliper frame. So you might have to turn that hole so it's more up and down than
I see what you're saying.
flat with earth.
All right, this sucks.
If you stab your finger, I'll take 20 seconds off your time.
Wait, is that a good thing or a bad
Yes, no, you'll get 20 seconds less time for it took you to do this. That's like hazard pay. I think I kind of pointed the bottom one down and the top one up a little bit and then went.
Are you getting pushed all the way down or just in that first one?
Yep, just to the middle.
What do you think? Am I double my time, triple my time? I feel like I wasn't too slow, but I mean I'm not doing NASCAR. Never mind. I see the timer on the video. That's not a good.
Perfect.
That's it. I think. Did you all right? You tell me.
I say we let Sean drive it first, and and if he stops and lives, we're good to go, and then we'll take over from there.
All right, cool. Well, that's a wrap on that.
We're gonna drop it down, I think, and take a look inside for the module.
All right, guys, so we have it on good authority that it's actually, the piece is going to be here on the left side, down near the foot pedals. This is the replacement part that we are throwing in there, so this part needs to get installed, and then we need to reprogram it, I believe.
Yep.
So we're gonna reprogram that. Right now, so far I've only got one clip off here, just those little plastic ones. I'm thinking it might be right back here if we're lucky, because that would be super easy. Take this dead pedal out, peel it back, and see if that's it. Oh, you know what? There's another one hiding down there. There we are. You think Sean would notice if we just sold this piece off? I'm sure it goes for like 100, 200.
Or we put like a fake clutch pedal in there and see how confused he is when he gets back. All right, Scott, we left off with, we pulled the fake pedal out, and we were gonna get a little more in depth, and now you're across the center console, laying upside down in the footwell of a Lamborghini.
I swear this is official Lamborghini technique. I've done this for years. I know exactly what I'm doing.
So just out of curiosity, what's the class like that they sent you to learn this?
Oh, dude, it's basically yoga. Been training my whole life for this. Every yoga class I've ever taken, which is one. I think this technique has only gotten me so far, so might be time to try it from where you're at.
Time to bag it and come to the other side?
If I can finagle my way out of this.
All right, so now I'm gonna film you getting out of this, and we'll see if it makes the cut or not.
Oh, this is probably gonna be about as graceful as Sean getting in and out of that JDM cart. I think I can probably try to not break the window, but let's see. Oh. There we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, I need life alert. I need life alert. Where's... Oh, I shouldn't have canceled my subscription. Oh boy. That's a workout. So the latest brilliant idea that we had is to actually come at it from the other direction. So we're in the front, trying to pop this baby out, see what we can see. This may or may not have anything in it. So clearly we haven't placed that call. That would probably be the smart thing to do. But you know what? It's like men asking for directions. It just
doesn't happen.
No, it's not gonna happen. Might be a boy there. There's one. But these, I'm pretty sure I need a flathead. I need to put something, probably something behind it. It does not. It's almost like it's not meant to come out of there.
Seems like there's enough screws down there to hold the whole car together.
So the back is definitely loose. Sides are loose. Nice.
We might have to pull that plastic outer trim off, you think?
I thought these just pop right out on the Gallardo. They definitely do. That, or maybe I just need to angle it. Let me pull up on the back here real quick. There it is.
Oh, it's just this.
Really?
Like a professional. Come on, up and out. It's real easy. All right.
Like a professional. For anybody that's ever wondered the guts of a Huracan, there we are. Now it's time to do some more digging. So getting in there, took a look around, cannot find that module anywhere in here. Not surprised, it was kind of a long shot, but you know, the hope was there. So we get to button all that back up. Thankfully that wasn't too bad. There was just a couple of screws and...
Couple?
Yeah, well, you know.
43.
It wasn't so bad. It's all repeatable. I think we need to pull the panel for...
To get that panel in there is gonna be exciting.
And she's back together. And clean for the first, well, clean for the first time in quite a while. Are these backwards? I think I have these backwards. That's a mask. Put the kidneys in the car. Done. All right, everything's back in, including the new merch. By the way, guys, if you want to buy some merch, go to purekalamazoo.com/dreamcars. All right, guys, everything's all buttoned up. We're calling it a night. Over the weekend, we are going to pick up the painted wheels. That's going to be next video, so stay tuned. Keep an eye out for that one. We've decided that we are going to talk with our expert on where we can find that piece and see if we can get that thrown back in the car and hopefully get that power steering issue taken care of. For the time being, we're just gonna have to put up with it for the rally. But other than that, she is rally ready. Andrew, thank you so much for all the hard work and being my my camera backup, or I guess I was more the backup for the, certainly for the mechanical stuff. That was definitely 99% you and 1% me cracking wise jokes. So anyway, see you guys in the next video.